Hey guys, Kelly from paperbeadrollers.com. Listen, if you haven't joined the Whatnot app yet, you need to do it. Use the link that I've put in the description and it will give you a $15 shopping credit. What that means is you can head over to my profile here on Whatnot and I've got all of this finished jewelry. I've got paper bead rollers, I've got snowflakes, I've got snowflake holders, I've got kits. Everything is here in my shop here on Whatnot. But with that $15 credit, I mean, you could get 2 free stencils. You could get almost the entire paper bead roller paid for. You could get a couple of bracelets. That $15 credit is here for yours taking. So click the link, sign up for Whatnot. You do have to verify your identity. They're trying to keep fraudsters off of the app, which I personally really appreciate. So it does take a little bit to go through the process of getting your account set up, but all of this is here, and that $15 credit is going to get you some free stuff from my shop. So head over to Whatnot, make sure you click through the link in the description and get your $15 credit today.